For 3 generations, Swiss Camplings has delivered a first-class laundry, linen hire and workwear rental service and has been a trusted partner of the region's hospitality and tourism sector for decades.
Having an understanding of the laundry industry is almost within the blood. It's part of our family, it's been part of the upbringing from the word go. It's been something I have a real passion for. This is obviously an industry that's within me almost.
What makes me most proud about us is I think our longevity, our attention to detail, our wanting to get it better all the time, and actually our relationship with our customers.
From bedsheets to tablecloths, napkins to towels, Swiss Camplings provides the peace of mind that your linens are collected, washed and delivered back to you on time and in pristine condition every time.
We have an enormous both logistics and processing challenge to achieve. It looks effortless, but actually we're working very hard behind the scenes to make it seamless.
And we believe we've adapted and developed our offer to provide a full service solution to our customers.
We've worked hard at innovation at 2 ends, one at the customer end in terms of working with the housekeeping teams, having training schemes to actually educate them about what linen is about, what they're handling, how they can handling it, and how actually we get the presentation as best we can right to the end. And certainly in the processing side, we're probably one of Europe's leading innovators in terms of the way we deal with chemistry, in terms of the way we deal with energy. So inherently everything we do is about being green.
We take the time to get to know all our customers, listening and fully understanding what's important to you. Through our flexible and agile service, we want to fully meet your expectations time and time again, especially during those busy seasonal periods. When demand is high, you need a partner to rely upon. Our service makes all the difference and allows you to stay focused on what you do best, treating your customers to a truly memorable experience.
Swiss Camplings is very much here for the long term. We're very proud of what we do.
We like to say it's the service that makes the difference, but actually it's our people that make the difference. The family remain very close with our customers.
We really are focused on getting it right, first time, all of the time. So there's guaranteed good quality linen available to our customers at the time they expect.